how to create account and login on Squid Game on List game. Now if you are not able to install the Squid Game on List, I have a video link in description which will guide you on how you can install the Squid Game on a phone. After the installation, just open it. Now to create the account, tap on get started and we're gonna write the email firstly. Put your desired password and you can check this box here, not to send Netflix special offers. This is optional. Now we're gonna tap on next. We're gonna have to agree the terms and accept. Now tap on this avatar. Now we're gonna pick the handle. It means the username. This username will be shown on your Squid Game on List. After choosing the username, tap on let's play. For the first time, once you create the account, you are automatically logged in to this game. Now how to log in for the second or subsequent times if you have uninstalled this app. If you go to profile here, I'm gonna sign out here and make the app feel like it's just installed on the phone. Now in order to log in, tap on the sign in option, second option. Input your email address here and the password. Once you do that, just sign in. So it's that easy. Tap on your avatar. So that's how you can create account and then log into Squid Game on List. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.